Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most important aspects of React development, the component lifecycle. Understanding the component lifecycle is crucial for building efficient and performant React applications. So, let's dive in. What is the component lifecycle? The component lifecycle refers to the series of events that occur during the lifetime of a React component. It consists of three phases: mounting, updating, and unmounting. Mounting. Mounting is the first phase of the component lifecycle, which occurs when a component is inserted into the DOM. In this phase, the following methods are called in order: constructor, static getDerivedStateFromProps, render, and componentDidMount. The constructor method is used to initialize the component state and bind methods. The static getDerivedStateFromProps method is used to update the state based on the props received by the component. The render method is used to create the virtual DOM for the component, and the componentDidMount method is used to execute any code that requires the component to be in the DOM. Updating. The updating phase occurs when a component's props or state are updated. In this phase, the following methods are called in order: static getDerivedStateFromProps, shouldComponentUpdate, render, getSnapshotBeforeUpdate, componentDidUpdate. The static getDerivedStateFromProps method is used to update the state based on the props received by the component. The shouldComponentUpdate method is used to determine if the component should be updated or not. The render method is used to create the updated virtual DOM for the component. The getSnapshotBeforeUpdate method is used to capture a snapshot of the current state of the DOM before it gets updated, and the componentDidUpdate method is used to execute any code that needs to be executed after the update is completed. Unmounting. The unmounting phase occurs when a component is removed from the DOM. In this phase, the component will unmount method is called, which is used to perform any cleanup tasks such as removing event listeners, canceling timers, or closing connections. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the component lifecycle in React. Understanding the component lifecycle is crucial for building efficient and performant React applications. By using the right methods at the right time, you can ensure that your components are always up to date and responsive. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more React tutorials. Thanks for watching.